Well, it's a bit blustery here, but it's a nice spot, and I just want to talk briefly more freemen on the land type shenanigans, although technically sovereign citizens, because this is a Canadian case. Some of you may know that one of the sort of ideas common to a lot of these organised pseudo-commercial legal argument people is that effectively you exist as a real person, but then as your straw man, your sort of corporate personality, you're not real personality. And it's all this thing about whether it's in capitals and all this sort of thing. But because you're effectively two people, somebody had a clever idea. Because what you can do is, of course, we've discussed before, you've got these ideas of trusts where somebody comes in and runs somebody else's life. I mean, you get this in sort of, the court of protection here, where the idea is either somebody is not capable of running their own life, or somebody asks you to take over running things for them. You see, the whole idea of like power of attorney. It's like, look, I authorise you to effectively do anything on my behalf. I mean, you can put limits on that, or you can just say, no, you just run my life. So anyway, this guy had the idea that he, as the real living person, Mr. Knutson, he would like to run his straw person's life. So he applied to the court in Canada effectively as if it was a sort of court of protection thing. It's like, I would like to represent my fake self. However, he did it by suing himself, or rather, as he would put it, the real living person sued the straw man. Now, this being a Canadian case, there's a new rule over there where anybody who raises any sort of freedom on the land, sovereign citizen type argument, that is automatically an abuse of process. So the mere fact that he started using the different way of spelling the name and the colons and referring to the straw man, it was automatically struck out, and he was there was an order put on. He was already subject to an order saying that he couldn't engage in litigation anyway without the consent of the court, because this was not his first rodeo. But so he got knocked back. But I just thought you might find that interesting. I mean, it's a very novel cause of action, but I suppose it is consistent with that belief system. But there you go. So yes, as far as the courts are concerned, you just exist as one person, one real life person, and you can't sue yourself. I mean, people do try to sue themselves. Famously, Fox News got annoyed with The Simpsons for running some fake banners about them, so they threatened to sue, and then somebody pointed out that Fox also owned The Simpsons, so that would have been Fox suing Fox. Yeah, because as a general rule, you can't sue yourself. But there you go. As always, hope you found that mildly or marginally or vaguely interesting and stroke or amusing. Typically it's stopped raining now that I've finished. But anyway, there you go. I'm now going to go hunt for a bridge that I went looking for yesterday and couldn't find. But at least I know where this thing is. 6,000 years old, this. Although I happen to know it was re-erected about 8 years ago because one of my friends was involved in doing it. Still very nice though. Oh yeah, and don't forget, like, subscribe, share, all that sort of thing. Although, like I always say, you don't have to. Although maybe please do, because that's probably why I haven't got any subscribers.